ready to boost your sales by strategically applying discounts to your Shopify store. Let's get started by heading over to your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side, you'll find a section clearly labeled Discounts. Click there to begin. Once you're on the Discounts page, you'll see a button to create discount. Clicking this will reveal three main options: discount codes, automatic discounts, and sale prices. We'll explore each one in detail. First, discount codes. These are the familiar coupons customers enter at checkout. You can offer percentage-based savings, like 15% off, or fixed amount reductions, such as $10 off. You can also limit these codes to specific products or collections, set minimum purchase amounts, and control how often a single customer can use them. Next up are automatic discounts. These are fantastic because they apply automatically to the customer's cart. No code needed. Think buy one, get one free, or spend $75 and get free shipping. You'll give these a descriptive title, select the discount type and value, and define the conditions under which they activate, such as reaching a certain cart total. Finally, we have sale prices. This is the most direct way to visually show customers a better deal. Simply navigate to the product you want to discount, find the Compare at Price field, and enter the original price. Then, enter the new reduced price in the standard price field. Shopify will then display both prices, clearly indicating the savings. Keeping track of your promotions is a breeze in Shopify. The Discounts Overview page gives you a clear view of all your active and past discounts, allowing you to easily adjust them to optimize your sales and keep customers engaged.